So, hello friends, I am Pawan Kumar. Welcome to the PK Technology. So, today's topic is a DSCP. What is DSCP server and how to work DORA process on DSCP server? DSCP is a dynamic host configuration protocol. It is the automatic IP assign. DSCP protocol is a network management protocol used on network protocol networks whereby a DSCP server dynamically assign an IP address and other network configuration parameter to each device on a network so they can communicate with other IP networks. Okay, so DSCP is used automatic IP assign to the client side. And DORA process is a discover offer request acknowledgement. This is the DORA process work on automatic IP assign. How to automatic IP assign? Okay, so go to the vent, then we'll design the all configuration process. Okay, this is the DSCP client, DSCP client, DSCP server side. Okay, so DSCP client sent to the discover packet, discover package, package or packet on the router to the router. Then router send the discover packet, discover packet plus gateway IP address to the DSCP server. Then DSCP server check the gateway IP address. Any gateway IP address, for example, 192.168.1.1 is the router gateway IP. Okay. Then types of there are many types of IPOs DSCP server 192.168.1.0 to 92.168.100, then 107.160.1.0 to 192 sorry 172.160.1.100 or 10.10.0.0 to 10.10.0.100. Many types of IP use DSCP server. Okay, then check the IP router gateway IP, then DSCP server send the offer request. Offer, send the offer to client side via router, then client send the request to the DHCP server. Request to DHCP server via router. Then DHCP server send the acknowledgement packet. Then DHCP server assign the IP to the client side. Acknowledgement packet. Okay, 192. Then DHCP server assign the IP client side. DHCP client send the broadcast. Okay, 192.168.1.12. Okay, then DHCP client send the broadcast to all networks. Send the IP address to broadcast all networks. Okay, types of clients. Then send the broadcast the IP address all network. Then any client broadcast IP all network. Okay, any client uses same IP address. Suppose 192.168. Then any client message DHCP client. Then if this condition any client send the any client uses same IP address, suppose 192.168.1.12. so client send the message DHCP client. What message sent? DHCP client side already use this IP address, so DHCP client send the message. DHCP client send the message to the server side. DHCP server side. What message sent? DHCP decline. DHCP decline message. Decline message sent to the server side. This one, server side. Then server, DHCP server save this IP on bad address. Bad address IP to the server database. Okay, bad IP save. Then other way, DHCP client is a specific IP, is a unique IP. So DHCP client send the message. DHCP client send the another message to the DHCP server side. DHCP inform message. DHCP inform message. DHCP inform message to the server side. Then DHCP server send the message to client side. What is message? Send to client side message. And this message send the subnet mask. Subnet mask gateway IP address and DNS address. IP address. To the client side. Client side. And this type of work, all the DORA process assign IP address. Okay, so thanks to watching my video, and please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.